Hi, what's up guys? Alexander Bosko here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro in graphite here. So here's the front of the box here. All around the box is black. So got the iPhone logo here on the right and left, and the Apple logo on the bottom and top here. Got the back, and pause if you need to right there. And let's open this up this time. Got the phone right here in graphite. I'm just gonna call it gray. Got the pamphlet here, designed by Apple in California. SIM ejection tool, warranty guide, and a small Apple sticker. And the lightning to USB, and no charging brick. That is very surprising. So I think that is a dumb decision on Apple's part to get rid of the charger brick. So anyway, so here's the phone right here in its glory here, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna unlock the phone. Just give me a moment. Just gonna use Face ID for this. Hold on. Okay, here we go. It's unlocked. So here's the phone. And guys, I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews and more gaming and more tutorials and more Adventure Time Plus videos. And also, if you are new, please make sure to drop a like and a comment and subscribe if you are new, with notifications so you guys don't miss a video from me every time I upload a video. And now this will be Alexander Bosko now signing off, and peace out. Bye guys.